I quit CPA self-clicking. When you talk about CPA self-clicking, I've earned thousands of dollars with CPA self-clicking. And when you talk about teaching, I think I'm one of the greatest teachers in CPA self-clicking. If you have ever searched on how to make money with CPA self-clicking, I am 95% sure that you have watched my video already. And me telling you I quit CPA self-clicking today is not to discourage you. Rather, I want you to look into my reasons. Maybe you might turn around for the new stuff that is coming around. So stick around. I'll give you 3 reasons why I quit CPA self-clicking. I'm Gideon, and what I do on this channel, I try all my possible way to help an average person to make money online. So without further ado, let's dive in. The first reason I quit CPA self-clicking is that CPA self-clicking has been exaggerated. What I mean is that CPA self-clicking have dictated almost all these wrong activities we have been doing because many people are into CPA self-clicking. Whenever you try to do CPA self-clicking now, your account will be luckily taken down, and a lot of people are into it, and which make CPA company detect all this programming and all this configuration we have been doing. They have detected it and they easily take our accounts down now. Now, if you come to CPA self-clicking now, you discover that they have taken down almost all the zip code / email, and you know that our self-clicking deals with zip code / email. Now they have taken almost all the offer down. The offer that I can see on USA now is just like 2, on France just like 1. And with that, you will not be able to do well with CPA self-clicking. So this is one of my reasons I quit CPA self-clicking. Now, as I quit CPA self-clicking, do I have other things that I'm going to be doing, or do I have other things that I'm going to be sharing with you guys henceforth? Yes, I have. At the end of this video, I'm going to be telling you or giving you things that we're going to be doing henceforth. Now, secondly, the reason why I'm quit CPA self-clicking is this. Even as I'm quitting, not that if I still want to do, we will not be able to earn as little as we can. We will, but I discovered that over 65% of people that are following me are not earning with CPA self-clicking. My essence of teaching you guys CPA self-clicking is to help an average person to make money online. So if you are not making money online, my work is 0. So I will look for things that I can share with you that you will benefit from, that you'll be making money. So that is why I've decided to leave CPA self-clicking for other stuff. Alright, the third reason I'm quitting CPA self-clicking is that the method which we are using to make this money is not really genuine. You agree with me on that? It's not really genuine. So that is another third reason I decided to quit CPA self-clicking. Now that I decided to quit CPA self-clicking, what am I going to be sharing with you guys henceforth, or what am I going to be doing to be earning in the online space? That is the last questions I'm going to be answering in this video. Now, before we go further, you discover that making money online entirely has been exaggerated, in the sense that to make money online now is very hard in all aspects. Is it CPA marketing, digital 24, or Amazon KDP, or freelancing? Tell me. The only people that make money online now are few, and which is the road I'm about to take you right now. I'm going to take you this road. If you follow everything I'm going to be sharing with you henceforth, just like I earlier told you, my main reasons is for me to show you ways you can make money. So you watching this video right now, it's a promise to you that what I'm going to be sharing with you in the next 1 month, if you can follow everything, believe me, your financial status is going to change. In 1 month, just follow everything and don't skip any part. Follow the method and apply it, and it's going to change for you. Things are going to change for better. Like I said, people are still making millions online. Yes, people are making millions online, and I'm going to be sharing you the update henceforth. So I want to make all my video to be very short henceforth. I'm going to end this particular one right now, and I'm going to be leaving a link of a video that's going to show you our next strategies, what we are going to be doing to make money online. This money that I say you're going to be making online is not just $100 or $200. It's money that can sustain you, that can help you to leave your present work and focus on the online. So if you want to get the video, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description of this one. Also in the on the screen right now, you're going to find a link. Just click on the link and watch the video. Then you're going to see things you can do henceforth that you start making money. See you in that video. Peace out.